Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Brave YouTube not working. So first of all, let's go ahead and make sure your Brave application is updated. Head over to Play Store, then search for Brave. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. So simply open it. And likewise, let's go ahead and open YouTube. Type in youtube.com. And what you have to do is you have to make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account or simply a Google account. For that, select View section. It says you're not signed in my case, but in your case, make sure that you are signed in. Now, once you do so, it should hopefully fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to clear some cache. So long tap onto it, select the eye icon, scroll below and select Storage. Clear the cache, select Force Stop, then select OK. Now restart your device, launch your Brave, and it should hopefully work.